Everybody clear?
Wait, is Mike saying something?
Yep, now we're trying. You ready?
Yep, go ahead.
We're gonna try, we've already did a ½ pound Tannerite and 4 pounds of Tannerite. Now we're gonna try 12.5 Tannerite with a washer.
With the washer. It's down there.
With the washer.
All right, you guys ready?
Ready?
Contact.
Contact. Is there a camera right down in front of that thing?
Go.
It's right in my way.
Coleman.
I might shoot it. It's right in the way. Shut the fuck up. Shoot it. You just hit the damn camera. You just hit the camera.
Did it?
Yeah. I think you just blew the camera apart. That definitely hit a cart.
That hit a car.
Pretty wild, ain't
Ryan, that hit your truck.
Oh no! Right there.
Jeez.
I knew it would. I don't know why you left it here.
Hey, Bryce.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
I think that camera's gone. It was sitting dead center of my shot. It's like, how do I shoot this thing by hitting the camera? You see the piece way out there. Did you hear him? Oh crap, look at that piece way out there.
Holy shit. You can't see
There's a hole this deep.
Hey, who wants to try it?
Okay, I gotta walk
You
out
can't
there.
see the depth of it really on camera.
Here, wait. Here, take one of me. That way. It's
Oh, look at her stepping it. There is a hole.
It's pretty deep.
Oh, I bet.
Wow, is that far? That deep?
Yeah, that looks like it's about 3 feet deep.
Hold out your hand.
Am I Coleman?
Hold out your hand. Here's the lens. Okay?
Okay.
And luckily Brandon found this and has the SD card in it still.
Sweet.
in the arms of the angel.
That definitely hit a cart.